Hello, in this video, I'm going to introduce a company which is called GVK, Global Vision Korea. The GVK is a valve company in Korea. The valve company, so I'm going to show the valve types. Here are various types of valve GVK manufactures. Flexible wedge gate valve, parallel slide gate valve, cryogenic valve, turbine blowdown valve, and turbine ventilator valve, and glove angle valve, and check valve, control valves. I'm going to show you the experience list of the GVK. GVK did various kinds of Russian jobs, Russian project. Here, Tetaneft and glove, butterfly, on-off actuator, ball valve, butterfly, and Y glove. And here are the experience list of the GVK. If you're looking for a valve company which is cost friendly and the schedule friendly, GVK is the right one. So if you want to contact GVK, here is the contact number, email here, and the phone number, the international phone call. So phone number rather than phone call, I prefer the email contact. So here is the email address. So please contact me using the GVK verbs. I'm gonna wrap up here. Thanks.